Hello, my name is Julia, and this is Space Daily News Channel. On Thursday, December 15, Roscosmos cosmonauts Sergei Prokopyev and Dmitry Petelin were forced to cancel the spacewalk from the module Poisk on the International Space Station. During preparation for the extravehicle activities, there was an emergency situation with the Soyuz MS-22 spacecraft docked to the station. Splashing of coolant began to fly out of the depressurized circuit of the spacecraft's thermal control system. Video cameras recorded a leak in the punctured coolant system. Simultaneously with the leak, the spacecraft's diagnostic system alarm went off, indicating a drop in pressure in the coolant system. Most likely, the external coolant circuit on the Soyuz MS-22 is damaged. And also the spacecraft has an auxiliary coolant circuit. It is still difficult to say how effectively it will work in the current conditions. This means that the Soyuz MS-22, on which Sergei Prokopyev, Dmitry Petelin and Francisco Rubio arrived at the station, lacks thermal regulation, which could gradually lead to the failure of spacecraft systems and instruments. And so, in the event that the temperature of the spacecraft rises, there is only one way out: the evacuation of the crew of the Soyuz MS-22 on the damaged spacecraft. So far there are no results from officials, but the main assumed cost of damage to the coolant circuit is a micrometeoroid impact. Micrometeoroids, or fragments of space debris, occasionally collide with the International Space Station, and even the smallest metal fragment, due to its enormous velocity, becomes deadly in space. It's quite possible that such a fragment hit the Soyuz MS-22. Now the temperature in the damaged Soyuz MS-22 spacecraft is 30 degrees. In the near future, it's planned to change its ventilation system and to inspect the spacecraft with the Canadarm2 robotic arm. Fortunately, all systems of the ISS and the spacecraft Soyuz MS-22 are working normally, and the crew is safe. Space Daily News. Like, share and subscribe.